If you are looking for an alternative for microwavable popcorn, I got you. Let's take a look at this brand here. They have a couple different kinds, okay, and most importantly, the ingredients are really small. Bear with me. So we have the popcorn itself, which is organic. There's a blend of coconut, olive, and avocado oil, nutritional yeast, sea salt, and spices. That is it, my friends. What we are looking at is to mitigate the pro-inflammatory oils, so sunflower oil. Sometimes there's soy lecithin within the popcorns, along with just a boatload of butter and salt and cane sugar or other sugars in there. So this one is a great option if you're looking to have a little snack on movie night.